the visual centre, the point where I want people to go, will be over that side, unless I change my mind, which may happen, you never know. And I'm going to just sort of pile on a load of paint left over from yesterday. So first of all, one thing I must say is pay attention to how it doesn't matter what you put on the board. If you're painting a sky, something will happen. We are finished. Not quite there. That just got some paint off my brushes. So let's get a bit of oil and a bit of royal blue, which has got some red mixed into it. Any red that you care to use. Now, you won't see much in the red. It is there, but the effect the red has on the blue, that's royal blue with a touch of red in it. And what you're going to see in a minute will be, is that dry? Yeah, that's dry. What you'll see in a second will be royal blue on its own without anything else. Where did I put that? Oh, there we are. So right, that's got a minute amount of red. So if I put some underneath it there, that's it without the red. It makes quite a difference